Can we please start eating right now, Fujishima? I'm starving over here.
Not yet. Wait a little longer.
Aw, hurry it up! The other group's already started eating!
Just wait. I just added the last original spice. It's gonna be good.
Huh? Yes. So whether we like it or not, we're gonna have to earn some money along the way. Huh?
Well then, I guess that means it's the end of my turn, doesn't it? Yes, thank you for your input. Okay, moving on.
Sorry. Sounds like my stomach wants to contribute.
Jeez, you just ate a bunch of junk food.
Yeah.
この話聞いてんのか。
お礼にお蕎麦をおごってあげるってのどう？
ああ。
お腹空いてんでしょ？